Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we'll discuss a recent healthcare law alert from Brach Eichler titled, Governor Murphy Signs ACF Tax Changes into Law. On June 30th, 2025, Governor Phil Murphy signed into law the Healthcare Finance Enhancement Act, Assembly Bill 5809, which brings significant changes to the assessment of ambulatory care facilities, including ambulatory surgery centers, surgical practices, and licensed imaging centers, ACFs. Prior to the passage of the new law, ACFs were required to pay a 2.95% assessment on gross receipts over $300,000, with a cap on the assessment of $350,000. Under the new law, beginning July 1, 2025, the assessment is set at 2.5% of gross receipts, and both the floor of $300,000 and the cap of $350,000 have been removed. Further, while certain facilities, such as one-room surgical practices, were previously exempt from the assessment, these facilities will now be subject to the same assessment. These changes will impact almost every ACF in New Jersey. While many facilities will have a reduced financial burden due to the decrease in the assessment percentage, many other facilities, such as surgical practices, will no longer be exempt from an assessment. Additionally, facilities that generate larger gross receipts will be assessed higher amounts, as the $350,000 cap has been lifted, and facilities that generate gross receipts under $300,000 will no longer be exempt. If you have any questions about how this new law may impact your facility or any other questions or issues related to your healthcare business, please contact John D. Fanburg, Esquire, Managing Member and Chair, Healthcare Law Practice at 973-403-3107, or jfanburg at bracheichler.com, or Caroline J. Patterson, Esquire, Member and Vice Chair, Healthcare Law Practice at 973-364-5233, or C. Patterson at bracheichler.com, or Andrew M. Kuder, Esquire, Associate, Healthcare Law Practice at 973-403-3141, or A. Kuder at bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey, with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.